How to withdraw TapSwap to Solana wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So in order to withdraw from TapSwap, you need to connect your wallet first. And in order to connect, you have to open up the task, then go to the option of special. Over here, you get the option of join Solana wallet. Simply click on it, and this way you would be able to join a Solana wallet like Phantom wallet or the Solflare. Currently, there is no option to join Solana wallet as TapSwap has removed it recently, so you can just simply wait for a while before you can join Solana wallet again. And the other way is that you open up the boost section and open up this option of boost 2x. This way you would be able to connect your TapSwap to any Ton keeper or Ton wallet, and you would be able to withdraw the funds. But currently there is no withdrawal as such, so you have to wait for the next update of TapSwap in order to withdraw the funds from TapSwap. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.